Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the workbook. Open it and enable editing so Excel accepts structural changes. Next, select the sheets you will remove. Hold Ctrl to pick non-contiguous sheets or hold Shift to select Arrange. Make sure to check for hidden sheets. Unhide them from the Sheet tab menu if needed. Once done, glance at any worksheet level protection. If it's on, unlock or save a copy first. This avoids accidental loss and explains why backup matters before you proceed. With the correct sheet selected, right-click any highlighted tab and choose Delete. Excel will remove all selected sheets in one action. If Delete is disabled, go to Review, choose Protect Workbook and clear Structure Protection. This restores deletion capability. For repeated or pattern-based deletions, use a small VBA macro. It iterates sheet names and deletes matches, which is faster and less error-prone for many files. Make sure Auto Recover or Backup copies are available before finalizing deletions. Finish by saving the workbook under a new file name so the original remains intact. This is a quick safety net. If Delete is grayed out, make sure the workbook isn't shared and that structure protection is disabled. Go to Review to verify. If something goes wrong, stop. Do not close without saving a copy. You can recover lost sheets from backups, or, if you exported sheets with VBA earlier, restore from those files. One key tip: always keep a recent backup to undo mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.